He is in bed. It is morning. He is waking up. He is getting out of bed. She is in the shower. She is taking a shower. She is putting on makeup. They are brushing their teeth. She is taking the subway. He is driving a car. They are eating lunch. There are 4 people. They are at work. There are 7 students. They are at school. She is reading a book. He is in a coffee shop. He is reading a newspaper. She is in bed. She is sleeping. Good night.